In Lesson 1, we're going to take a look at how to use the brain to display messages. When the program starts, engineering rocks. It's printed on the top row, then the next row, then the next row, and continues until the bottom row. So here's the block code. When we take a look at it, we've got a repeat loop for 11 times. And the reason it's 11 is because it takes 11 times to scroll to the bottom. Inside the repeat loop, we're going to say print engineering rocks on brain. We're going to tell it to wait a second. Then it's going to clear the row on the brain. So clear all rows on the brain. And then it's going to set the cursor to the next row on the brain. It's going to continue that pattern for 11 times. So let's go ahead and take a look at what that looks like when we download it and hit play. The next thing we'll want to do is actually go to the website. So code v5.vex.com. Next, we'll do File and say New Text Project. We'll choose Python and we'll begin our code. From our original code, we know that this has to repeat 11 times. In block coding, that's in the control section, so it makes sense to reason that it would be in the control section on the Python area as well. This will be a for loop, and a for loop simply means that we can specify an amount of times that the condition will happen. Drag for loop over to line 41, right underneath begin project code. For repeat count in range, instead of 10 times, let's change that 10 to an 11. From there, we're going to go to looks, as that's where we'll find most of the things that are going to happen on the brain. We want to drag brain screen print VEX code over to right above pass. And for VEX code, we want to change that. That's going to be our message. That'll be engineering rocks. Next, we'll tell it to wait a second. So if we look at our original code, there's the line we just did, print engineering rocks. We're going to say wait 1 second, and this will be found in the control section. There it is, wait 1 second. Now what we want to do is clear the screen. Because that's a brain command, we'll probably go to looks. And there it is. Brain, screen, clear screen. So we'll drag it over. That looks good. Now because we want this to cascade, moving down, we want to say brain screen next row. And now we can remove the rest of this. We can download this to the brain, press play, and watch it happen.